Hi, in this video we're going to have a revision on binary to decimal conversion and decimal to binary conversion. We're going to start by binary to decimal conversion. Here we have an example. What is the decimal equivalent of 1110101? Remember, we're reading the binary numbers from right to the left. Step number 1 will be writing the binary places values. Okay, we're going to start with 1, then multiply 1 by 2, then 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, 8 times 2 equals 16, 32 and 64. Why do we multiply by 2? Remember, our system is a base 2 system, as it consisted only of the two digits 0 and 1. Okay, the binary system as a base 2 system consisted of only two digits, while the decimal, the normal system we're using in math, is a 10 base system, as it consisted of 10 digits from 0 to 9. Okay, if we need to have a 10 is a 0 and 1, 11, 1 and 1, so it consisted of 10 digits. Okay, back to the binary. It's a base 2 system. The values of the binary places are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. If we're having a number here, we need to multiply the 64 by 2, which means it will be 128. Okay, step number 2 will be multiplying the binary places with the binary number. So we're going to multiply 1 by 1, 2 multiplied 1 equals 2, 4 multiplied 1 equals 4, 8 multiplied 0, 0, 16 times 1, 16, 32 times 0, 0, 64 times 1, 64. Then step 3 will be calculating the total of the multiplication. So we're going to add 1 plus 2 plus 4 and so on. And the total of them will be 87. So the decimal equivalent of the binary number 1110101 is 87. Then the second part of our revision is decimal to binary. Now we need to have the binary equivalent of 87. We need to make sure if we calculated the equivalent decimal of the binary number we had in example 1 correctly or not. Step number 1 will be dividing 87 by 2. If the result is an integer number, we're gonna type a remainder with 0. If the result contains any decimal points, so we're going to type the remainder with 1. 87 divided 2 equals 43.5. So we're going to type 43, and as a remainder we're going to add 1, as we're having a decimal point 43.5. Okay, add the integer part here, and the 0.5 will be written as a 1 remainder. Then 43 divided 2 equals 21.5. So we wrote the 21 here, and the 0.5 will be written here as a 1 remainder. 21 divided 2 equals 10.5. 10 should be written here and a 1 remainder. Then 10 divided 2 equals 5. Okay, now we don't have any decimal points, so we're going to add a 0 remainder and a 5 here. Then 5 divided 2 equals 2.5. write the 1 remainder and the 2. 2 divided 2 equals 1 with a 0 remainder, so 1 written here and 0 is here. Finally, 1 divided 2 equals 0.5. Okay, so the 0.5 should be written here as a 1 remainder. Okay. Mostly in the conversion from decimal to binary using that way, we're having 1 and 1 at the end. Okay, the final result should be 1, and 1 divided 2 equals 0.5. So we're writing here a 1 remainder. So finally we're having 1 and 1. We need to write them up, down, right to the left. So they should be written 1 1 1 0 1 0 1, and we need to start typing them from the right to the left. 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. So up, down, from the right to the left. Okay, thank you so much. Remember, we're having our quiz inshallah on Tuesday for 9A and on Wednesday for 9B. Make sure to have a paper and a pen if you want to have or you want to do workings during answering the quiz. Good luck and thanks for watching.